Hey everyone, welcome to Winnie Studio and welcome to another brand new tutorial for Photoshop. In this video, we'll be creating a simple poster design for a cricket team, and this is the most requested tutorial on my Instagram, and all the resources are provided on the description list below, so don't forget to check on that description tab. At the same time, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Please do support my channel. With that note, let's dive into the video. So here we are in Photoshop, and first thing first, let's create a composition. So for that, go to File, click on New, and I'm going for 1000 over 1080 size and keep the resolution as 300 and change the color mode to RGB, bitrate to 16, and let's keep all as default and let's click on Create. And let's drag and drop our main background over here, and let's see, convert it as a smart object. So for that, right click, convert it as a smart object, Control T. Let's make it a little bigger. Let's keep it right over here in the center. Yep, somewhere around here. And let's create a layer mask. Go to the brush and make sure the color is black, and let's get rid of these parts. And let's see, let's drag and drop another image over here. And let's keep it all the way to the bottom, and Control right click, convert it as a smart object, Control T. Now let's select the layer, go to select and click on select subject, and after that let's click on layer mask. So this is how I made the PNG for all other images. So let's drag and drop this image over here too, and let's minimize this one, right click, convert it as a smart object, Control T. Let's make it a little smaller and let's keep it right over here. Drag and drop this image over here too. Control right click, convert it as a smart object, Control T. And for the size we can change it later anytime. And let's see, let's go and let's drag and drop this image over here too, and same thing, convert it as a smart object. Let's keep it under this layer, Control T. And let's go for another image, and let's drag and drop this image over here too. Let's keep it over here, right click, convert it as a smart object, Control T. And let's flip this image on the other side. So right click, let's click on horizontal flip, and let's make it a little smaller. Now let's create a layer mask. Go to the brush and let's get rid of those hard edges over here, and same thing, create a layer mask. Let's get rid of those parts too. Now let's go over here, create a new layer, go to the brush, and let's go for this powder explosion brush, and let's go all the way to the top layer, and let's create one more layer over here. And for this one, let's go for a kind of darker color. Let's apply a LUT first. So go over here, click on color lookup, select this LUT, click on load. Now let's select this layer, create a layer mask, go to the brush, and let's get back some of those ground portion back. Create a new layer and let's add some particles. So go over here, create a new layer, go to the brush, and let's go for the particle Yep, let's go for this one. Let's make it a little smaller, add a kind of little rotation. Yep, something like that. Let's go for eraser tool. Let's erase some of these parts. And again, let's create a new layer. Go to the brush and let's add some particle over here too. Again, go to eraser tool. Let's erase some of those parts. And let's go to the very bottom layer, create a new layer, go to the brush, and let's add some lighter particles. Let's change the color to kind of the lighter yellow. Let's add some particles, create a new layer. Let's add some darker particles and create a one more layer. Let's add a rotation for other side, and let's add some on this side too. And eraser tool, let's erase some of these parts. Let's change the color overlay, maybe. Yep, I think like the more yellowish looks good. And I want to add something over here too, so let's go over here, create a new layer, go to the brush, and let's add some rotation. Let's make it a little smaller. Alright, now let's go over here, create a color overlay, and let's go for eraser tool. Let's erase some of these hard parts. Now let's do some color adjustment. So select the layer, go to filter, go to the camera raw filter, and let's drop down the highlights. Let's increase the shadow just a little touch, maybe increase the exposure a little bit, increase the clarity, increase the texture, and let's drop down the vibrance. Yep, and let's dehaze a little bit. Yep, let's keep it somewhere around here, and let's click on OK. And now the same thing, let's go for another layer, filter, apply a camera raw filter, and let's create a new layer. Right click, create a clipping mask, and let's change the blending mode to linear does, and go back to the brush, and let's go for a general brush, and let's change the color to kind of this yellow, and let's add a kind of glow on edges over here too, and let's add a little touch over here too. Alright, and same thing for this layer, create a new layer, right click, create a clipping mask, change the blending mode to linear does, and let's go over here, add a new layer, go to edit, go to fill, and let's change the fill to 50% gray, and let's change it to soft light, and let's go for does and burn. So let's add a does right over here in his face too, and over here too, and let's go for a burn tool, and let's add a kind of darker part over here, maybe on the ball too. Let's add, yep, this is what we have. Now let's add a color balance. Go over here, add a color balance, let's increase the red. Yep. Now let's create a new layer, go to the brush, and let's, with the same lighter yellow, let's add a kind of soft glow over here, and let's change the color mode to overlay, and let's drop down the opacity just a little bit, and let's add some over here too. Let's add some on more on this side. Let's drag and drop this image over here. Let's minimize this one and let's keep it right over here. Control T. Let's keep it somewhere over here and let's create a layer mask. Go to the brush and let's get rid of these parts. Alright, now let's add some text. So go over here, add a text. And now let's do a final color adjustment. So select all this layer, Ctrl Shift Alt and E. And let's go to the filter, go to the camera raw filter. And let's let's drop down the highlights just a little touch. Increase the clarity, increase the texture. And go to the detail tab and let's increase noise reduction and color noise reduction. Just a little touch. And let's go over to the effect and let's add a little bit of vignetting. So yep, that's the final and that's the wrap up for today's video, and I hope you guys love this tutorial and see you guys in the next video.